Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you why you should use Deriv broker to trade the financial market. It gives you opportunity to trade 24/7. Very clear, flexible, and simple. You can trade Forex, commodities, you can trade synthetics, you can trade stock indices, you can trade cryptocurrency. Very simple on your phone, on your laptop. You can see there are a lot of platforms, there are a lot of applications to use. Deriv Go, Smart Trader, MetaTrader 5, Deriv S. You see, all these give you sharp prices, tighter spread. You have no one to blame. There is a lot of management of risk, take profit, stop loss, deal cancellation. Deriv have 21 years experience and history. I think this is the best place you can be. You're gonna achieve your financial goal if you can take action today. Over 60 million trade per day traded on Deriv company. Check down the description of this video to register with Deriv. Change your life. Start trading. You can join our VIP groups and channels to have a strong foundation to build your wealth. Start changing your life.